Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying this Bondi Boost infrared bounce brush, heat around brush. I really wanted to try this heat around brush because heat around brushes are going so viral, like everywhere. So I did a blowout and my hair doesn't look like perfect or anything. So I figured, why not try this out, this new heat around brush that I got in the mail, and let's see how it works. So it retails for about $100. I think it's on sale right now for a side part. What do you guys think? Should I do side parts more often? I feel like I always do it in the middle, but I don't know. This retails for about $100, and on the Bondi Boost website you can get it on sale right now for like 85 or something, so you do have a discount. So this brush is actually in the size 1.65 inches. The wavy top is about 1.25, so it's a lot smaller, so you're gonna get like tighter curls with the wavy top, which is this one right here, by the way. But this one looks pretty cool. I mean, I really like the size as well, because sometimes you do want just a little bit of a bounce. So anyways, I'm gonna turn this on. This has a couple of different heat settings, so I'm gonna put it 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a lot. I know that a lot of you guys were telling me don't use the heat setting too high for the wavy talk. I mean, I was using it at 420 for a while, so a lot of you guys have been telling me to not do that. So I'm gonna try to bring the heat settings down a little bit. So we're gonna do, what does it say, lock? This has like this infrared technology. It feels like it's getting super hot. Oh my god. But this is clinically proven to cause zero heat damage. Increased volume by 67% after one use. I definitely think that is completely true. Immediately increases shine by 47% after one use. Yeah, definitely. Heat around brushes always give me a ton of shine. Immediately reduces frizz by 35% after one use. I definitely think that is true as well. I don't know about this zero heat damage, but that's cool that at least maybe this isn't as damaging or like rough on your hair than other hair tools. This is getting hot. This is in the heat setting 450. I'm gonna do just one curl at the front because right now it is locked. I gotta figure out how to unlock it so that I can put the heat setting down. But let's do one curl at 450 just to see how this works. Okay. Ooh, let me do that again. There you go. Feels very, very smooth. Let's see. Wow, that's super nice. So let me figure out how to put the heat setting down, because right now this is locked, and even if I click it, it won't do anything. So give me 1 second. Okay, so you have to hold it for 2 seconds and then you can bring the heat setting down. So let's do 375. So I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. Yeah, I really needed this because my blowout came out a little bit frizzy, so this is perfect. I kind of like that it has a lock. Oops. I kind of like that it has a lock because sometimes I touch the heat setting and as you can see it says lock, so it won't switch up the heat setting for you. That is a big plus for me, honestly, because sometimes even with the wavy talk I switch up the heat setting so much and it's a little bit frustrating. Okay, I think that's enough for this section. Okay. Be careful, your hair gets a little bit stuck up here. It looks a lot more smooth. So I'm gonna set this curl. Let's do this section right here. I like to get pretty close to my roots. Just start smoothing out my hair. Okay, let's see what curl we can get. Very nice. So the curls that you get are a little bit looser than the wavy talk ones because the brush is like a lot bigger. I feel like this hair tool is perfect to use after a blowout. Like today, like I'm using it after I did a blowout. I sometimes prefer not to use these hair tools straight from curly hair. I know some of you guys like to see like the videos straight from curly hair, especially when I use hair tools, but most of the time I use these types of hair tools after a blowout just to kind of like polish the blowout, make it look nicer, just like as a finishing touch. But I definitely feel like my hair gets stuck up here sometimes. So keep that in mind. But other than that, it feels very nice. Just try to not get it too high up there, because I feel like it got stuck. I'm gonna pose my hair a little bit. Super, super nice. If you don't have a heated round brush yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. These are like the best hair tools. I really, really love them. I have a couple that I really like. And this one so far is pretty cool. I do like this one. Only thing is that my hair keeps getting stuck right here. You see? Right here, like in between this top part and the brush. Which is very unfortunate because overall, it feels very gentle. It's just when it gets stuck up here. But I like that it has that lock button so you can lock in the heat setting. And I also really like that it has a couple of different heat settings to choose from. So it can go all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which I think is very, very high. I wouldn't use it in 450, even though I did kind of try it for the front section. But I think 375 is perfect for me. So I'm just gonna leave it at 375. But yeah, even at 375, you get a very nice curl. Really, really like that. So I'm gonna keep doing my hair and I'll be back with the final look. But yeah, so far, I mean, this heated round brush is really nice. The only thing is that it gets a little bit stuck right here. But I think once you practice and use it more, you might be able to kind of like avoid that. But yeah, so far, it's super, super nice. All right, guys, this is the final look. What do you think? I feel like I got so much volume, so much bounce. And yeah, I really did like this hair tool. I feel like the brush is a little bit bigger, which is fine because it's gonna give you more of like a blowout look. It's not gonna give you super tight curls. If you want tighter curls, I totally recommend maybe the Wavy Talk one. And it's also a little bit more affordable. It's like $40, so about less than half of the price of this one. I mean, this one's on sale right now for like $80, so actually like half of the price. But yeah, the Wavy Talk is nice. This one is also super nice, but this one's gonna give you definitely like looser curls. It's gonna elevate your blowout. It's basically gonna make your blowout just look a lot more smooth, more shiny, and it's gonna give you some bounce on the ends. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys wanna check it out, I will be linking it down below in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.